Another important feature of HTML is the ability to create tables. If you've ever worked with Microsoft Excel, you should be familiar with tables of data laid out in a series of rows and columns. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create an HTML table, both automatically and by manually writing HTML code. To begin, open the HTML test sample file from your Sample Files folder. And open tabletest.aspx in Design View. Now you're going to automatically create a table using the design tools. Click Table, Insert Table. The Insert Table dialog appears. Click OK without changing any of the settings. A table appears outlined in dotted lines. Now click in each of the table's 4 cells and fill them in with Cell 1, Cell 2, Cell 3, and Cell 4. Next, you're going to add a new row to this table by using HTML code. Switch to Source View, and you can see that the table is made up of 3 different HTML tags: Table, TR, and TD. The TR and TD tags define table rows and table cells. They must be contained in a table tag to be recognized as part of a table. As you can see, the text that you added is all contained within the TD tags. You might also notice that a style tag has been added to your page's head tag, setting a width property to 100%. This happened because the Insert Table dialog's Specify Width setting was left at the default. Because you specified a width of 100%, a CSS style called AutoStyle1 was created. The table's class property was then set to reference the AutoStyle1 style. You'll learn more about CSS styles in Lesson 2.8. Now add a new line before the End Table tag and type TR, TD, Cell 5, TD, Cell 6. Remember that you can use automatic formatting to automatically reformat the table code if it is messy. You learned how to do this in Lesson 1.11. Switch back to Design View now, and you can see that your HTML code has added a new row containing the cells Cell 5 and Cell 6. Next, you're going to merge the top 2 cells. Click and drag from Cell 1 to Cell 2, so that both cells are highlighted. Then click Table, Modify, Merge Cells. The top 2 cells are merged into one big cell. Replace the text in the top cell now with Title cell. Now switch back to Source View. You can see that the cell has been merged by changing it into a single TD tag with a col span property of 2, because it spans 2 table columns. Finally, you're going to make the title cell into a heading cell. There is a special tag for table headings, the TH tag. Change the TD tag for title cell from TD to TH. Now switch back to Design View, and you can see that the TH tag makes its contents bold and centered. Close Visual Studio now, saving your changes if prompted. You've now completed Lesson 2.5. Create an HTML table.